Access Portal Lite has 6 available reports built into the system, namely, the Access Report, Status Report, Audit Report, Hours Worked, First and Last Transaction Report and the System Report. In this guide we will cover the purpose and function of each of these reports. From the landing page, select the Reports drop-down to select the report you wish to see. The first report will be the Access Report. The Access Report can be filtered by date and time as well as either by all persons on site or individuals. Running the report will display all transactions on site defined by the filters applied. This is the most basic report for user tracking. The second report is the Status Report. This report contains system hardware status messages. This is used for tracking hardware offline and system events. Next is the Audit Report. The Audit Report contains information related to changes on site such as new door creation or tag holder enrollment. This can be filtered by operator, or you can search for specific event types. Running the report will display all the events that have occurred on your system. Hours Worked is the fourth report available. This report requires anti-passback to be enabled on your doors in order to draw results. Select your date range and the credential holder you are tracking. The report will break down the hours worked based on the credential holder's first and last transaction for the day on an APB-enabled door. The first last transaction report is similar to the Hours Worked report, however APB is not required for this report to display data. With this report you can track credential holders' first and last transactions on site for a specific day. It can be further filtered for specific credential holders, or for specific doors. When the report is run, this will display all first-last transaction and an approximate hours worked calculator. Please note that this may not always be accurate without APB enabled. The final report is the System Report. This report displays information for all devices installed on the system. Using the System Layout option, the site will be displayed in a visual tree. In this guide we covered all the reports available in Access Portal Lite, as well as their purposes and functions.